Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 10,000 likes. Different types of cobra species in the world. Angolan cobra. The species is native to the southern region of Africa. Venom of this species is primarily a potent neurotoxin but may also contain cardiotoxic components. Banded water cobra. The ringed water cobra is a species of water cobra native to western and central Africa. The venom of this species is not well studied, but it is believed that the venom is dangerously neurotoxic. Snouted cobra. The snouted cobra, also called the banded Egyptian cobra, is a highly venomous species of cobra found in southern Africa. It is highly venomous species with neurotoxic venom. Intravenous LD50 value is 1.98 mg per kg. A bite can affect breathing and if left untreated may cause respiratory failure and death. Moroccan cobra. The Moroccan cobra is a highly venomous snake species that is found in Morocco. The venom proteome of Moroccan cobra is highly complex. Three-finger toxins are the main component of crude venom. Arabian cobra. The Arabian cobra is a species of venomous snake in the family of Elapidae. The species is endemic to the Arabian Peninsula. Ashes spitting cobra. Naja ashe, commonly known as Ashes spitting cobra or the giant spitting cobra, is a species of venomous snake in the family Elapidae. The species is native to Africa. It is world's largest species of spitting cobra. It consists of postsynaptic neurotoxins and cytotoxins. However, Naja ashe is capable of injecting a much larger volume of venom in a single bite compared to the others. Chinese cobra. The Chinese cobra, also called Taiwan cobra, is a species of cobra in the family Elapidae, found mostly in southern China and a couple of neighboring nations and islands. The Chinese cobra is a highly venomous member of the true cobras genus Naja. Its venom consists mainly of postsynaptic neurotoxins and cardiotoxins. Congo water cobra. Naja christi, commonly known as the Congo water cobra or Christie's water cobra, is a species of venomous snakes belong to the family Elapidae. The species is native to sub-Saharan Africa. The venom of Naja christi is not well studied, but it is believed that the venom is dangerously neurotoxic like that of most elapids. Egyptian cobra. The Egyptian cobra is a species of venomous snake. It averages roughly 1.4 meters with the longest recorded specimen measuring 2.59 meters. The venom of the Egyptian cobra consists mainly in neurotoxin and cytotoxins. The average venom yield is 175 to 300 mg in a single bite and the murine subcutaneous LD50 value is 1.15 mg per kg. Monocled cobra. The monocled cobra, also called monoculate, is a venomous cobra species widespread across South and Southeast Asia. The venom of this species also contains myotoxins and cardiotoxins, which block the nerve transmission by binding specifically to the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor, leading to flaccid paralysis and even death by respiratory failure. Mali cobra. The Mali cobra, also called Kathian spitting cobra, is a species of spitting cobra found in West Africa. This species occurs in both tropical and subtropical grasslands, savannas and shrublands. Mandalay spitting cobra. The Mandalay spitting cobra, also called the Burmese spitting cobra or Mandalay cobra, is a species of spitting cobra endemic to the dry zone in central Myanmar. Nothing is known about the venom of this particular species. However, as a species of spitting cobra, the venom likely has a cytotoxic and postsynaptic neurotoxic properties. Forest cobra. The forest cobra, also commonly called the black cobra and the black and white lipped cobra, is a species of venomous snake in the family Elapidae. The species is native to Africa, mostly the central and western part of the continent. The venom of this cobra is a postsynaptic neurotoxin and bites result in severe neurotoxicity. Mozambique spitting cobra. The Mozambique spitting cobra is a highly venomous species of spitting cobra native to Africa. This cobra's diet mainly consists of amphibians, other snakes, birds, eggs, small mammals and occasionally even insects. Burrowing cobra. The burrowing cobra is also known as the many-banded snake, is a species of venomous elapid snake. The species is found in the Republic of Congo and Cameroon in Africa. Indian cobra. The Indian cobra, also known as the spectacled cobra or Asian cobra, is a species of the genus Naja found in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bhutan, and a member of big four species that inflict the most snake bites on humans in India. The Indian cobra's venom mainly contains a powerful postsynaptic neurotoxin and cardiotoxin. Zebra spitting cobra. Zebra spitting cobra is a species of spitting cobra in the genus Naja belonging to the family Elapidae, which is native to the desert and drier region of southern Africa. The venom of zebra spitting cobra can cause massive hemorrhaging, necrosis and paralysis in bite victims. These snakes can also spit their venom, hitting their enemies with great accuracy and causing temporary or permanent blindness. Black-necked spitting cobra. The black-necked spitting cobra is a species of spitting cobra found mostly in sub-Saharan Africa. They are moderately sized snakes that can grow to a length of 1.2 to 2.2 meter in length. The venom of this species is somewhat unusual among elapids in that it consists primarily of cytotoxin but with other components also. Cape cobra. The Cape cobra, also called the yellow cobra, is a moderate-sized, highly venomous species of cobra inhabiting a wide variety of biomes across southern Africa, including arid savanna, bushveld, desert and semi-desert regions. The Cape cobra venom is made up of potent postsynaptic neurotoxins and might also contain cardiotoxins that affect the respiratory system, nervous system and the heart. Nubian spitting cobra. The Nubian spitting cobra is a species of spitting cobra native to Africa. A relatively small spitting cobra, maximum recorded length is 148 cm. Caspian cobra. The Caspian cobra, also called the Central Asian cobra, ladle snake, oxus cobra or Russian cobra, is a species of venomous snake in the family Elapidae. The species is endemic to Central Asia. The Caspian cobra is the most venomous species of cobra in the world, slightly ahead of the Philippine cobra. A number of small non-enzymatic proteins are found in the venom, including neurotoxins and members of the cytotoxin family. Red spitting cobra. The red spitting cobra is a species of spitting cobra native to Africa. This medium-sized cobra attains length between 0.7 and 1.2 meters but may grow to a maximum length of around 1.5 meters in very rare cases. The venom of this species contains a mixture of neurotoxins and cytotoxins. Bite symptoms include slight pain around the wound and numbness of the lips, fingers and tongue. Philippine cobra. The Philippine cobra, also called Northern Philippine cobra, is a stocky, highly venomous species of spitting cobra native to the northern regions of the Philippines. The venom of the Philippine cobra is a potent postsynaptic neurotoxin which affects respiratory function and can cause neurotoxicity and respiratory paralysis, as the neurotoxin interrupts the transmission of nerve signals by binding to the neuromuscular junctions near the muscles. Andaman cobra. The Andaman cobra is a species of cobra endemic to the Andaman Islands of India. They are fairly widespread in the Andaman Islands. The name of this cobra comes from the islands itself. It is perhaps the Naja to have the smallest non-geographic range of any Asiatic cobras. Andaman cobras are venomous. Summer cobra. The summer cobra, also called Peter's cobra, southern Philippine cobra or Visayan cobra, is a highly venomous species of spitting cobra native to the Visayas and Mindanao island group of the Philippines. The summer cobra's venom is potentially deadly neurotoxin with cytotoxic properties as well. Envenomations can result in respiratory distress and paralysis as well as considerable tissue necrosis around the bite site. Senegalese cobra. The Senegalese cobra is a species of cobra in the genus Naja that is found in West Africa. This species was long thought to be identical to the Egyptian cobra, but morphological and genetic differences have led to its recognition as a separate species. Indo-Chinese spitting cobra. The Indo-Chinese spitting cobra, also called the Thai spitting cobra, Siamese spitting cobra or black and white spitting cobra, is a species of spitting cobra found in Southeast Asia. Like most other spitting cobras, its venom is primarily a postsynaptic neurotoxin and cytotoxin. Bite symptoms include pain, swelling and necrosis around the wound. Javan spitting cobra. The Javan spitting cobra, also called Indonesian cobra, is a species of cobra in the family Elapidae found in the Lesser Sunda Islands of Indonesia, including Java, Bali, Komodo, and others. Like all cobra species, this species venom also consists of postsynaptic neurotoxins. Equatorial spitting cobra. The equatorial spitting cobra, also called the black spitting cobra, Malayan spitting cobra, golden spitting cobra, or Sumatran spitting cobra, is a species of spitting cobra found in Southeast Asia. Like other cobra species, this snake possesses postsynaptic neurotoxic venom. The venom may also consist of cardiotoxins and cytotoxins. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the like button. See you again.